So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache your Telegram data without uninstalling it. So let's begin the video. So first of all, open Telegram in your smartphone, and in the top left corner you can see three lines option. Click on that three lines option and then go to the settings. Here you can see an option of data and storage. Click on data and storage and go to storage usage. Now here you can see various options of stickers and emojis, profile photos, videos, photos, and you will also be able to see documents option if you have any. So if you just want to delete anything in particular, just check mark this boxes, and if you just want to delete everything, just check mark all and then click on clear cache and confirm by clicking on clear cache. Here you can see, so that's how you can clear cache your Telegram data without uninstalling it. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.